Hello, here is how to tell if there is a chicken in your egg. My chicken had been acting a bit promiscuous, so I was thrown into learning about egg candling. I'm going to teach you how to do this with zero preparation beforehand and using items you already have in your house. Hatching eggs can be an interesting and strenuous process, or alternatively, you don't even know that it has happened and you come home from vacation with a ton of baby chicks everywhere. I'm going to teach you how to tell if an egg is fertilized and how far along it is. Your phone camera will be enough light to be able to do this. Just make sure you don't flip around that egg too much because it can be bad for the baby. In this instance, this is our control egg. You can see that it lights up, so there's no baby in it. Just as a quick example, you can tell this one is fertilized and doing things since it's got that darkness or that shadow. Okay, here's an egg that's kind of yucky, so I'm gonna just take it into a dark room. Okay, I'm in the dark. It's really dark. Okay. I set her down gently. I'm trying not to rotate the egg at all. Okay. Definitely fertilized. Let's see how far along you are. So you can find these charts online, but from this we can see that the egg is pretty far along. I looked at someone else's egg candling on the Backyard Chickens website. I'm pretty sure this egg is just days away from hatching. Sharpies are safe, and you can use them to mark your eggs. Some chicks suck at hatching, but others are just pretty good at it. Just give them time and don't try to assist them with hatching unless they're gonna die otherwise, because it can be pretty bad for them. Kylo hen, and none of them are Kylo hens.
Oh, really?
Yeah.